neighbors, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be baking a wonderfully delicious fall treat, and it comes from my Good Housekeeping Cook Book with the original copyright of 1942. I'll be using the recipe for the fruit Betty bars. The original recipe says to use date, fig, prune, raisin, or mince-meat filling. But I bought this apple pie filling at Kroger on clearance, and I think I'm going to use it instead, and we'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees, and then in my big bowl I'm going to sift together 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm out of salt in the canister, so I'm going to have to steal some from my salt shaker and hopefully remember to buy some at the grocery store. Once all that is sifted, we're going to add 2.5 cups of old-fashioned oatmeal, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, and I used light brown sugar. And if you want to, you can add 1/2 cup of chopped nuts. I didn't have any, so I didn't add them. But if you have them and you want to use them, you can mix them in here. Next, we need 1 cup of melted shortening or butter. So I'm going to melt this in the microwave. Now we're going to mix our melted butter into our dry mixture. And you want to check and make sure that you're getting all the little dry pockets on the bottom of the bowl. this is what it should look like. I'm going to use a 13 by 9 inch baking dish, and I'm going to spray it down with some nonstick spray. And then we want to take half of our mixture and press it firmly into the bottom of our dish. And now add our filling, and then we're going to top it with the remaining oatmeal mixture, and we want to press it down firmly. We're going to bake it in our 350-degree oven. The recipe says to bake for 25 to 35 minutes. I would say that would depend on what kind of filling you use. Since I used the apple pie filling and it's pretty moist, I'm going to go with the 35 minutes. And here it is, all done. And I'll tell you, it turned out delicious. The top is nice and crunchy, and then the apples give it a real nice sweetness that goes with the more savory crust. And we added some whipped cream to it, and of course if you have ice cream, that would go delicious as well. I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you try it out with a different kind of filling, comment down below and let me know how it goes. And maybe it'd be something I'll have to try in the future. But thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you all next time.